A dusty TV at home not only is a hygiene problem, but also affects the quality of the picture. It is necessary to clean the TV screen regularly. Do you know how to clean the TV screen properly? According to well-known TV manufacturers like LG, Samsung, Sony, etc., there are mainly two things to look out for. First, cleaners are not recommended. Most TVs have special coating over the screen, which would be potentially damaged by the cleaner. For any dingy strong dust, distilled water would help. If you insist on trying some cleaners, make sure to use professional ones which do not contain alcohol or ammonia. Secondly, gently use a soft cloth. The main structure of the TV is made out of plastic. When cleaning, wipe the TV with a clean and dry cloth in circular motion to avoid streaking the screen. Most TVs are equipped with a professional cleaning cloth. The microfiber cloth can effectively remove the dust off the screen. A glass cleaning cloth would also do the trick. In conclusion, TV screens is vulnerable. Be aware that never use any strong cleaners, nor any cloth that might streak the screen. Gently buff the screen with a soft cloth. This is good enough to keep your TV in excellent condition. Other than TV, we can clean the screens of our phones or laptop in the same way.